Friends, have a nice day to you all. I am Suraj Chamara. Today I am presenting you through our video YouTube channel Lawson's Family. So I am posting a new video regarding how to withdraw VTE into fiat currency money. My friends, you all trusted upon us and you joined to this social reward platform VTE. So everybody knows today VTE social reward platform has a competition with Facebook application. So here we have very good opportunity to earn money, online money. So this is our VTE social reward platform. So there how much we earn, it is coming to this wallet. Now you already have this credit in your wallet. So what we need, how we can withdraw this money, we need to change this credit or dollar into VTE cryptocurrency. So we can sell credit from here and we can bring it into VTE wallet as VTE cryptocurrencies. So after that, how we change this VTE cryptocurrency into fiat currency? First of all, we all should know we need to change VTE into Bitcoin or BTC before we convert it to fiat currency. For that, we need to create this special wallet. It's called Coinbase. When I explain you about the cryptocurrency, I introduce you the cryptocurrency exchanges, and also I mentioned there is a very efficient wallet available now in the world from the past times. It is Coinbase. So everybody should have Coinbase wallet to do this. So the link to create a Coinbase wallet I already given under my video. So you can go through this link and you can create your own Coinbase wallet. After you create your Coinbase wallet, so now you can easily change your VTE, you can easily exchange into BTC. Let me explain you how. So those who presented VTE plan into the world, they already given this exchange called InstaSap exchange. Until now this exchange didn't come as an application in the Google Play Store or Apple Store. It's still available as a website because it's newly begin, just like VTE social reward platform. So what we can do, we can search in Google or Google Chrome. We can go to search bar and type InstaSap VTE exchange. So after we search, we will get that exchange, the web platform of the exchange. So there we are coming to the swap option. Here we will give VTE and we will get BTC. To that we will select VTE. Here you will see the minimum is 12.1 VTE. So you need to have minimum 13 VTEs in your wallet to do this, and you will get here after you giving VTE 15 VTE. I will mention for example 15 VTE. So you will get BTC. You need to select BTC. So how much you will get? When you give 15 VTE, you will get 0.000933 BTC upon the current value. So what you can do now, you will swap, tap the swap button, then you will directed to this web screen. Here you mention you send 15 VT and you will get this amount of Bitcoin. So here you need to type paste your BTC receiving wallet address. So you need to go your Coinbase wallet, okay, and from there you need to get the Coinbase receiving address from your portfolio. You can get this receiving address, okay, so then you can paste it here, and then Vite refund wallet address. So you will go to your Vite wallet and tap the receiving button and you get the address here, this Vite address, receiving address, copy it and paste it here. Then after that you can enter your email here, then you can go to this continue and button, tap the continue button, then the exchange will, the swap will start. Once you start this swap, you will receive BTC. Your 15 Vite will convert into BTC, will swap into BTC, and it will receive to your Coinbase wallet. Now you have BTC in your Coinbase wallet. So after that, everybody knows there are so many options available to change this Bitcoin into fiat currency. So it's very easy. So I'm not explaining that step because every country, they have many options to change BTC into fiat currency. So here in this video, I would like to tell you that there is a real way, proper way to exchange our Vite into BTC. So I hope everybody had seen this and they have understood this. So my dear friends, be faithful on Vite, and the Vite properly use the application and developing it. It will definitely bring you to the financial success. So have a nice day to everybody. We will meet again in like these many videos in future also. When any important incidents on the importance of the incident in the future, I will upload new videos and I will let you know. So please subscribe our channel, Blossoms Family, our channel, and tap also the bell icon, so you will get all the update immediately once the video uploaded. So thank you very much. Have a nice day.